fana nawe uyongena laphini konje
Chlorocop.
bathini chlorocop kuyelo laphayana because it was a huge challenge
Yes,
man.
I was prepared because I decided that I want to join Mamelodi Sundowns, knowing very well ukuthi
Hey.
the chances of me playing there ngenzeka angafika ngale ndlela le ngicabanga ngayo. So the very first day I entered the change room, I see the surprise Moriri, Anthony Lafont, Enzo Mnyandonga.
Ziyasha man.
I wanted to take a moment with this news and this Haibo. Yimi lo.
How was the experience Kev ijourney nje yenu?
That competition test is your mental strength.
Ziyabuya ne?
Blind. Because if you are not mentally strong, then you're gonna crumble. You understand? Because from the airport, you will feel the tension.